Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I converted this old plant pot stand into a new-ish looking stand. So stay tuned. As you can see, it's very old, very rusty. It pretty much came with the house. Okay, so step one is you want to sand it to smooth out any rough surfaces. Do your best, it doesn't have to be perfect. I tried to get rid of as much rust and old paint as I could going along the groove, so you want to work with the way the stand is structured. I think this was a medium grade sander. I did it by hand because I felt like it would work better. There were a lot of grooves, so I just did what I could. Here are more shots of me sanding. When it comes to those spirals, I went along the spirals. I didn't stress too much about getting everything because of the next step that's going to happen, which is power washing. So right here, you're just doing what you can and making it as smooth of a surface as you possibly can. Some people use multiple sanders. I'm lazy. Here's my power washing. So this is what it looks like right after I sanded by hand. I got a good amount of debris off, and then I start my power washer. So remember, with a power washer, the first thing you do, you turn the water on before you turn the power washer itself on, and you hold down the nozzle to make sure that it's spraying correctly. Halfway through I had to switch to a more powerful nozzle, but you make sure everything's flowing correctly. Then you turn on the power washer, and then you can power wash whatever it is you are looking to clean. Now for the fun part, spray painting. Pick any color you like that you think will look nice, and make sure you're spraying in even thin layers. That way it doesn't look like the paint is falling off. I picked gold because I thought it'd be fun to go from rust to gold. Very rusty. You could tell she was cute back in her day.